If you've ever wanted to make your WordPress site truly your own, matching your brand colors or just freshening things up, then this guide is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the default colors in the WordPress block editor, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Let's jump right in. By default, WordPress themes come with a preset color palette inside the block editor, those little color circles you see when customizing text, backgrounds, and buttons. But you don't have to stick with them. Method 1, the easiest way, is using the site editor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Arrow Editor. Once inside, click on Styles in the top right corner, then open the Colors section. Here, you can change global colors for text, backgrounds, and links. You'll also see your default color palette. You can replace these colors with your own brand shades or completely add new ones. When you're happy with your palette, just hit Save, and those colors will now appear as your new defaults throughout the block editor. Method 2, for more advanced control, is using a plugin like Editor Plus or Cadence blocks. These let you define even more custom palettes or set unique colors for specific blocks without touching code. Whether you're going for a sleek professional look or something bold and creative, customizing your default colors helps your site stand out and stay consistent with your style. And that's it. Your block editor now matches your vision perfectly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more WordPress customization tips, because when your site looks good, your content shines even brighter.